Hey, remember how to use this anymore? What's going on, peeps?
I get to start off the vlog.
Yeah, this is Justin's vlog.
On the way downtown, McLaren, Toronto, big day ahead of us. Gotta get our protein in, you know me. Where's Daniel? We're guiding people. This guy parks right in front of the Pagani, bro.
What a bozo.
Are you kidding?
Right in front of me.
Parked against the wall. I'm like, okay, now this.
Shake your body like a belly dancer.
They're peeping it. This is the Alpha with the windshield.
Jesus Christ.
Only one in North America with a
We'll grab them quick before we walk over to the next place.
Or watch your tone when you speak to me.
He's a winemaker.
Best winemaker. Yo, I already know what he's saying. Back in my day.
Dropping goods. That was you. Just from your hand.
Yo, do you think they'd like if I just like went like this and unicorn the hood?
They got full tip DJ.
Ah, that's better.
Losing your marbles, cuz.
That's what I
Is it the
She's probably cute. I didn't see your face. I didn't see your face. She's probably cute.
Okay, guys. Sorry that I don't like girls who just lie flat on the bed.
What? That green on these old ones will never get old.
No, never.
My bad.
Video to 2004.
Drake? Drake?
You see him, Megan. I see
It's been a minute, brother. How you doing?
Good, man.
What's up, bro?
I don't even have to buy it. I wouldn't have to buy it. She'll scoop it for me.
Yeah.
I don't see why not. It's feasible.
after the
Dealership was looking at me about?
Sir.
Sounds like, yes, sir.
Mr. McGregor, can I have a shot?
You have a shot, I give you an autograph, whatever you want, my friend, whatever you want.
You say? Well, then you gotta make money. Do you deserve to be rich?
Like those people in LA that just like make cool videos and do what they want.
Yeah, but you realize they actually make the videos and they actually do stuff.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Aubrey Graham in a wheelchair. Drake?
Yes!